Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into one of the most exciting ways to build income online: affiliate marketing without spending a single dollar. If you've been wondering how people make money by promoting products without any upfront costs, you're in the right place. We'll break everything down step by step so you can start immediately and grow your earnings. Stay tuned until the end for helpful tips, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Number 5. Pick a free affiliate program. The first step to making money with affiliate marketing without any investment is choosing the right affiliate program. There are many free platforms available that don't require you to pay anything to get started. Examples include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASL, and Rakuten. Each of these networks provides thousands of products across different categories that you can promote based on your interests or niche. When you sign up, the program will provide you with unique affiliate links that track any sales made through your referrals. One of the biggest advantages of joining free programs is that they allow you to test out different products and audiences without risking money upfront. You can focus on products that have high demand and better commissions, while also making sure they match your audience's needs. Since affiliate marketing is all about trust, it's important to pick products that you either use yourself or genuinely believe in. The more authentic your choice, the easier it will be to promote them. With no fees involved, this step simply requires your time and smart decision-making, making it the most accessible entry point for beginners to start earning online without spending a dollar. Number 4. Use social media for promotion. Social media platforms are one of the most powerful tools for affiliate marketing. And the best part is, they are completely free to use. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and LinkedIn give you direct access to millions of users who could be interested in the products you promote. To succeed, you don't need to spend money on ads at the beginning. Instead, you can focus on creating engaging posts, reels, or short videos that naturally highlight the benefits of the products you're promoting. For example, if you are an affiliate for fitness products, you can create workout tips, health advice, or transformation stories, and include your affiliate links in captions, stories, or bios. Another strategy is to join groups or communities that match your niche and share helpful advice while recommending products with your link. The key is not to spam, but to provide real value so people trust your suggestions. Social media also helps you build a following over time, which can later become a consistent source of traffic and income. By consistently posting quality content, you can grow your reach and turn free social platforms into money-making machines without spending anything. Number 3. Start a free blog or site. Building an online presence through a blog or free website is another excellent way to start affiliate marketing without paying money. Platforms like WordPress.com, Blogger, or Medium allow you to create a website or blog without any hosting costs. With these free options, you can write articles, product reviews, or comparison posts that attract readers searching for honest opinions. By strategically placing your affiliate links within your content, you can earn commissions every time a visitor clicks and makes a purchase. Blogs also provide long-term value because articles can rank on search engines like Google, giving you free traffic for months or even years. For instance, a simple Top 5 Gadgets for Students article can keep bringing in visitors who are interested in buying. Unlike social media posts that fade quickly, blogs act as a library of content that keeps working for you in the background. The important part is to focus on a niche you are interested in, such as tech, fashion, travel, or fitness, and provide informative, engaging posts. This way, you can slowly build authority in your niche and generate consistent income from affiliate links, all without any financial investment. Number 2. Create value content. In affiliate marketing, content is the backbone of success, and creating valuable content does not cost you any money. Instead of just pushing affiliate links, you need to provide something useful to your audience that keeps them engaged and makes them trust your recommendations. This can be in the form of blog posts, YouTube videos, free guides, social media posts, or even email newsletters if you later expand. For example, if you're promoting software, instead of simply sharing a link, you can write a step-by-step tutorial explaining how to use it effectively. If you're promoting skincare products, you can share routines, tips, or real reviews that help your audience make decisions. Value content builds credibility because people feel you are helping them, not just selling to them. This approach also increases the chance of repeat visitors who come back to you for more advice. Over time, Your free content can even get shared widely, bringing in new audiences without paying for ads. By consistently offering knowledge, solutions, or an inspiration, you turn your affiliate marketing into a trusted source, ensuring higher conversions and long-term income without having to spend a single dollar. Number 1. Build trust with audience. Trust is the foundation of affiliate marketing, and without it, even the best strategies won't work. People are more likely to click on your affiliate links and buy products if they believe in your honesty and recommendations. Building trust does not require any money, but instead requires consistency, transparency, and genuine care for your audience. This means only promoting products you truly believe in or have researched properly, and avoiding products that seem unreliable or low quality. Always disclose that you're using affiliate links, as honesty strengthens your credibility. Another way to build trust is by engaging with your audience. Reply to comments, answer questions, and give helpful advice without always pushing a sale. Over time, people will view you as an expert in your niche, and they'll naturally be more inclined to buy through your links. Consistency also plays a major role. The more valuable content you share, the stronger your reputation grows. Whether on blogs, social media, or other platforms, remember that affiliate marketing is not about quick money. It's about creating long-term relationships with your audience. Once trust is built, conversions and earnings follow naturally, even without any initial investment. Thanks for watching this video on how to make money with affiliate marketing without any investment. I hope these strategies help you take your first step toward earning online. Keep applying what you've learned and stay consistent for the best results. See you in the next video. Subscribe now.